Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting tutorial that will supercharge your online experience. We'll walk you through creating a 30-day premium UDP request config file and setting it up on the SocksIP Tunnel VPN app. With this setup, you'll unlock secure web connections, blazing fast network speeds, and unlimited browsing in just a few steps. If you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video to support our channel. Let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and type UDP Custom Community into the search bar, then hit Enter. Look for the official UDP Custom Community website in the search results and click on it. This site is your gateway to generating the premium file. Once you're on the homepage, locate the menu button, usually found at the top corner of the screen. Click it to open a drop-down menu, and from the options, select 30 days UDP request config. You'll see a short 10-second countdown before your file is ready. Afterward, click on the file and tap the download button to save it to your device's download folder. Next, install the SocksIP Tunnel VPN app if you haven't already. Go to the Google Play Store, search for SocksIP Tunnel VPN, and download the app. Once installed, open the app. On the homepage, tap the three dots in the upper right corner to access the drop-down menu. From there, select Import/Export, and then tap the Import button. This will open your device's download folder. Find the 30-day premium UDP request config file you just downloaded, select it, and confirm the import. Within moments, the file will be added to the app. With the config file successfully imported, you're ready to connect. Simply tap the Start button on the app's homepage. Within seconds, your VPN connection will be established, giving you secure and fast browsing capabilities powered by the premium config file. And that's it. You've just set up a 30-day premium UDP request config file on the SocksIP Tunnel VPN app. Now you can enjoy secure, high-speed browsing with this straightforward setup. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.